Alright, tech enthusiasts. Imagine this. Your personal server. The beating heart of your home network. The vault for your precious data. The machine running your smart home automations. Is no longer a bulky tower. A noisy mini PC. Or a remote cloud instance. What if it was this? Asterisk. Hold up a sleek smartphone. Asterisk yes. You heard that right. A smartphone. Sounds wild, right? Well, today we're diving into a topic that's been absolutely buzzing on Hacker News. The incredible, almost sci-fi concept of using a modern smartphone as a legitimate server. And it's not just a theoretical exercise. People are actually doing it. Prepare to have your mind blown. Because the lines between mobile and server are blurrier than ever. The article that caught everyone's attention on Hacker News detailed how a developer successfully transitioned many of their personal server responsibilities, from website hosting to file storage, and even a basic home automation hub, onto an old Android phone. Think about that for a second. We've been living in an era where we constantly upgrade our phones for faster apps, better cameras, and smoother scrolling. But we rarely stop to consider the sheer computational horsepower we carry in our pockets. A flagship phone from just a few years ago packs more raw processing power, more RAM, and certainly more efficient storage than many entry-level dedicated servers or even popular single-board computers like a Raspberry Pi. So, why is this suddenly a viable concept? It boils down to economics and astonishing technological advancements. Modern smartphone system on chips, or SoCs, are incredibly powerful. We're talking multi-core ARM processors, often with dedicated AI accelerators. Abundant RAM 8, 12, even 16 gigabytes is common, and blazingly fast NVMe-based internal storage. And let's not forget the network capabilities. 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and incredibly robust Bluetooth modules are standard. Compared to the x86 architecture servers that dominate data centers, ARM chips are designed for efficiency. They deliver fantastic performance per watt, which is crucial when you're talking about a device meant to run on a battery or consume minimal power when plugged in continuously. This efficiency translates directly into lower electricity bills if you're hosting something 24/7. The potential use cases are fascinating. Imagine a personal cloud server, your own self-hosted Nextcloud instance, entirely on your old phone, keeping your photos and documents truly private and off big tech servers. Or perhaps a local development environment for web projects. It could act as a secure VPN server, giving you private access to your home network from anywhere. For the smart home enthusiasts, it's a perfect hub for Home Assistant or MQTT broker. Running locally, reliably, and with very little power draw, it can be a media server for your Plex library, a lightweight game server for friends, or even a local ad blocker for your entire network. The possibilities are surprisingly vast, especially when paired with external storage devices like a large USB-C SSD. Of course, it's not all sunshine and gigabytes. There are significant challenges. First and foremost, operating system limitations. While Android is Linux-based, it's not a full-fledged desktop Linux distribution. You can't just --apt-get install --everything like on Ubuntu server. Projects like Termux are running Linux distributions via chroot or virtualization, like Linux on DeX for Samsung phones, provide workarounds, but they add complexity. Then there's power delivery and battery longevity. Running a phone 24/7 plugged in can degrade the battery over time, potentially swelling it, a fire hazard. Solutions exist, like bypassing the battery entirely or using smart charging systems. But these require technical know-how. Thermal management is another concern. Phones aren't designed for sustained high loads without throttling. And finally, network reliability. Your home internet connection might not be as stable or fast as a data center connection. For those looking to dive in, tools like Termux are absolute game changers. Offering a full Linux environment within Android without rooting. You can install SSH, Git, Node, JS, Python, and a surprising array of server software. For more advanced users, flashing custom ROMs or using tools to run a full Debian or Alpine Linux on your phone can unlock even more potential. The key here is understanding the ARM architecture. Most server software is compiled for x86, but an increasing amount now supports ARM, thanks in part to the rise of Raspberry Pi and Apple's M-series chips. This means compatibility is improving rapidly. You're leveraging hardware originally designed for peak performance bursts, like gaming or video editing, for sustained, lower power server tasks. This trend isn't just a niche hack. It points towards a fascinating future. It empowers individuals with greater control over their data and digital services, moving away from centralized cloud solutions. Imagine a world of truly distributed personal networks, where everyone hosts a piece of the internet on their phone or tablet. It could be a foundational step towards greater digital sovereignty and resilience. The phone as a server concept highlights the incredible power we already possess in our pockets, and challenges us to rethink what a server truly means. So, what do you think? Is your old phone gathering dust? Or is it a server in waiting? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Stay curious.